Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to let anyone with the link edit a Google Drive file perfect for seamless collaboration, whether you're sharing a document, spreadsheet, or presentation. First, open Google Drive on your device. Find the file you want to share and look for the three dots right next to it. Tap those three dots to bring up a menu with several options. From that menu, select Manage Access. This is where you control who can view, comment, or edit your file. Next, tap on the General Access option. By default, your file might be set to Restricted, which means only specific people can access it. To change this, tap on the current setting and choose Anyone with the link. This opens up access, so anyone who has the link can get to your file. But we're not done yet. Right below, you'll see a drop-down menu with different roles: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Tap on Editor. This is the key step now. Anyone who receives the link will be able to make changes to your file, just like you can. Once you've set the access to Anyone with the link and the role to Editor, look for the option to copy the link. Tap Copy Link to save it to your clipboard. You can now share this link however you like. Send it in an email, paste it in a chat, or drop it into a group message. If you want to send the link by email, open your email app and start a new message. Click the Insert Link icon, paste the link you just copied, and type in the text you want people to see. Finish your message and hit Send. Now, anyone who gets your email can click the link and start editing the file right away. That's it. You've just made it easy for anyone with the link to edit your Google Drive file. Remember, granting edit access means others can make changes, so only share with people you trust. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.